Hi, my name is Lyric. It is currently around 7 a.m. I just woke up. For those of you who don't know, I am a flight attendant, and I thought that I would take you along my day today during my 30-hour layover in Bogotá, Colombia. And I have a pretty full day today. We're gonna be doing some maintenance, we're gonna get some food, maybe go shopping, and most importantly, I need to practice my Spanish, mi español. And I plan on taking care of those things today here because it is a lot more affordable than in the US. And I'll definitely walk you guys through like every place I go to, the prices. I'm not gonna gatekeep nothing because for those of you who do travel, who are also flight attendants, I wanna put you on. Let me just show you my quick self-care skincare routine. I'm using the Cetaphil Hydrating Cleanser. You know, technically the 30 hours started last night, but your girl was exhausted. I was gonna show y'all my little nighttime routine. I literally slam clicked. After that, I have this moisturizer. It's by La Roche-Posay. I believe it is their Triple Repair Moisturizer. And most importantly, SPF. This one is by Body Cream. But this one for real takes like a second to rub in. Now I'm moving on to brows. I've been using this Got To Be, the label rubbed off. I've had it for a couple weeks for their eyebrow, and I'm not gonna lie, it do be what it does to your hair, it does to here. Maybe I should try to say things in Spanish. Usualmente yo uso el NYX brow gel. I'm so nervous, you don't even understand. Like, well, I'm gonna try my very best. My hair is actually very easy. They asked me to wash it, detangle it, no product. That is why the volume is there. It's giving, I'm not gonna lie. I wish I could wear my hair like this all the time, but then it wouldn't last more than a day. It would get knotted so quick. So this is the outfit of the day. Definitely kept it casual, quite simple. I don't like anything too flashy, especially when I am traveling somewhere new.
Lo siento, estoy aprendiendo español. Quisiera el calentado. Sí. ¿Tienes pollo o...? ¿Pollo? Lechuga. No, carnitas. Sorry? Salsa ranchera. No, gracias. Actually, sí. Y jugo de bebida, por favor. Gracias.
This looks so good. I'm a sucker for savory breakfast. So this has rice, carnitas. I usually don't eat pork, but I just couldn't help it. And a fried egg and some beans, all my favorite things. With this ranchero sauce. Put that on there right now. Yeah. Oh, that's good. I'm so excited.
You can literally see the steam coming out. I'm gonna try this juice. It looks really fresh. Yeah. Yeah. Disculpe, ¿puedo tener, ¿cómo se dice este? Serviette. Gracias.
What's crazy is I knew that word, but I was scared. But I know that word because we call napkins on the plane serviettes, because a lot of other countries and cultures don't call them napkins like we do in America. In some countries, that means like the feminine hygiene products. Just finished up breakfast, so I'm gonna give you guys the pricing of what that was right now. So I had the breakfast dish, which was 18,900 Colombian pesos. And then I added the salsa ranchera, which was 2,500 pesos. And then the juice was 7,900 pesos. So in total, that is 29,300 pesos, which comes out to about $7 or so US. And of course, that's not including the tip. I'll let you guys use your own judgment on how much you want to do for that. Right now, I'm in the Uber on the way to the hair salon, and that costed me around 6,900 pesos, which is about a little over $1 in US.
Estoy aquí con Daniela. She just cut my hair. Now we're going to wash it. And she's doing a great job so far. She's been here for 4 años. She's really good. Estoy aquí con Iris. And she's washing my hair. It feels so good. It's really nothing like somebody else touching your hair. It feels so good. When it's me, I'm like, this is such a chore. But when somebody else is doing it, oh my goodness, it feels so good. Yo estoy aquí con Sani. Muchas gracias. Hola. Just got my hair done. It's definitely a surprise. I've never had such small curls. I'm trying to show y'all. But it's so defined and I really do like the results, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like in the next couple of days. All of the ladies who helped me out did such a great job. I really just need flip-flops because I have an appointment to get my feet done, and look what I'm wearing. So clearly that's not gonna work. I'm currently at a mall about to have lunch, but I wanted to update you guys. So my haircut, I got it cut, I got it washed, and I got it defined, and they gave me advice every step of the way. That came out to 145,000 Colombian pesos, which equals out to about a little over, I think, $34 US. And then I walked over to a nearby mall and I just got this poke bowl. That came out to 30,400 Colombian pesos, which is a little bit over $7. And I also got a water with that as well, so that's included in the price. I'm back. I thought I would show you guys the hair in good lighting. First of all, the definition is absolutely insane. How do I... Like, there were 4 different ladies who worked on my hair, but they did such a good job. I'm obsessed. And now my hair feels so much healthier. I did end up going to another salon to get my eyelashes lifted. Hold on. Like, these literally eat. Like, every time I open my eyes, I'm like rubbing my eyes because I feel like something is on my eyeballs. It's my lashes touching my eyelids. And then I also did get my nails done. Pretty simple. I really just wanted my cuticles cleaned up. And then, of course, I got my... You don't need to see that. I just did traditional polish for everything because I'm trying to grow out my natural nails. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a breakdown of how much everything costed. For my Uber to the lash nail salon was 6,480 Colombian pesos, which comes out to about $1.55 US. And then the actual services, so in combination, getting my nails done, my lashes lifted, it was a little bit of tint, and my feet done, all traditional polish, it came out to 130,000 Colombian pesos, which is about 31 US dollars. After the salon though, while I was waiting for my Uber, I went ahead and got some snacks from a little corner store. I'll show you guys those now, but that came out to 17,000 pesos, which is about $4 and change. Got, I don't know, I'm really hungry, so some chips, and I got some Doritos. I like to try Doritos because I know they taste a lot different in some countries. Like in Mexico, they taste a lot different. And then my friend Primi, she wanted some snacks because she's from here. So I got some of these, and I thought I would try one myself too. And then, of course, my Uber back to the hotel was 6,840 Colombian pesos, which is about $1.60 something in US. I'm gonna go ahead and just order room service and then take it easy for the rest of the night, and I'll update you guys on the price of that. Look at this spread. This is the room service. Can you believe this? Back in my pajamas. Let's debrief. The ladies at the hair salon were so nice, and everyone who I spoke to today was very patient with me when it came to me having like limited Spanish, but I definitely got my practice in. I even gained a new YouTube subscriber, so I'm very happy about that, girlfriend. Being in a country where people only speak Spanish, knowing that I'm trying to learn and practice it, tremendously, like obviously practice makes perfect, and practice is always going to help when learning a new language.
but it helped so much. And of course I still use Google Translate here and there, but having to like also film and being brave enough to like record while I'm at the salons and stuff definitely helped me feel more comfortable with being open with my Spanish and even being open about my limited knowledge. Like I wasn't afraid to tell people, hey, I'm sorry, like I'm still learning Spanish, you know, if anything I can use Google Translate. And everybody was very understanding, very sweet too. I literally love mussels so much. I am beat. I'm kind of glad that I'm not going out to dinner anymore because I'm actually exhausted. And I even caught myself snoring when I was getting my lashes done. It scared me. I hope she wasn't in the room to see that. Unfortunately, I never found flip-flops, but thankfully at the salon they had some to give me. I feel very blessed. I'm very grateful for this job, and it's days like this that make the challenging parts of my job feel super worth it. Because I know that not everybody has opportunities to travel for work or being able to do maintenance things like this. I mean, even for me, some of the things that I've gotten done here, the haircut, the hairstyling, which ended up being around $30-ish here, easily $150, $200, $300 in the United States. Nails, for a basic manicure, I spent, what, almost $4, $25 US. This is why I want to take more advantage of my job and, you know, go to these cool destinations and pick up these fun trips, because literally the world is my oyster. I have it in my hands and I don't even be accessing it the way that I should. Also, another thing I noticed, tranquilo. Anytime you voice any sort of concern or question or doubt, that is immediately everyone's response, which I assume means like no worries, like, but very common here. I don't know if it's very common in other countries, but I noticed that a lot. Also, por Dios. A lot of people say that here, which I think is super, super sweet. I'm just gonna go over everything we did today, how much it costed. Let's get right into it. Starting with breakfast, we had the main dish, which was 18,900 Colombian pesos, which is around $451 US. I added a sauce to it for 2,500. I also had that with the juice, which was 7,900 pesos. That comes out to about $1.89. So the total for breakfast was about 29,300 pesos, which is about $7.03 US. For lunch, I had a little poke bowl at the mall, and I also got a water bottle. That came out to 30,400 pesos, which is about $7.29 US. And I got some snacks in between some of my salons, and that came out to about 17,000 pesos, which is about $4.08 US. And then for dinner, I have my wonderful room service. This is such a good presentation. That came out to 79,868 pesos, which is about $19.07 US. So the total for food from breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner was 156,568 Colombian pesos, or $37.38 US dollars. $37.38 US. And that does not include tips, so just keep in mind, you know, to each their own with how much you want to tip. Okay, next to transportation. Aside from a lot of the stuff that was walking distance, I did Uber to the hair salon from breakfast, which was 6,480 pesos, about $1.55 US. And then from the mall to the nail and like lash place, that was also 6,480 pesos, so another $1.55. And then from there back to the hotel was 6,840 pesos, so about $1.64, with my total transportation coming out to 19,800 Colombian pesos, which is about $4.73. Now onto the maintenance, which was the bulk of today. My haircut, which was a cut or trim, a wash, and a style, and they gave me advice each step of the way, was 145,000 pesos, or $34.77 US. My lashes were 90,000, around $21.48 US. My hands were 15,000, so $358. My feet were 25,000, so $597. So my total for all maintenance was 275,000 pesos, or $65.65. So that brings the grand total for all I did today to 451,368 pesos, or $107.75 US. And that included all my meals, all my transportation. That included my hair, my lashes, my nails, my feet, and my snacks and room service. So I feel like I did pretty good, and I will be back. But if you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe, like, comment down below, put me on to some places to go to the next time I decide to come to Bogota. I will definitely be posting some more vlogs. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my meal now. Bye. I'm sorry, I'm not even kidding. This food is so good. And I thought there was only shrimp and chicken in here. There's clams, there's salmon, these tostones. I'm about to try it right now. Colombia, I love you. I love you.